Alright guys, so back to what I was saying before the people came in and interrupted my thing, you know. Today we're going to the CBC Studios in downtown Vancouver, where I'm going to be presenting what Amazon FBA is in front of 400 people. So it's going to be fun. I do this probably twice a month. Really rewarding because we do a lot of teaching online, but teaching in person is completely different. I absolutely love it. So I'll bring you guys along. Come on. Come on! She forgot. She forgot about me. Brandon? Yeah. Can you go in the elevator and just tell the concierge to come down or to open the gate? Yeah. Alright, well. That was the first hurdle of the day. We jumped through that. Well, we went under it actually. So, I'm sure there's gonna be other hurdles.
5 minutes later.
Forgot the mic, gotta go home and pick it up. And I don't have the keys, so I gotta go to my girlfriend's place, or our office, pick up the keys, go back home, and then go to CBC. So, it's gonna be a tight one, but we'll make it on time. We'll make it on time. Hurry, I'm late. Get me in trouble. Bye.
Touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I cropped you out with no apologies. I am the hope, the heart, the faith, the spark, the one who will fulfill the prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring, about you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the track. I like it louder than most, watching all these shit just buy down to the goat. If I can't decide, I'ma probably get both. We done celebrate, but right now I'm a toast, resurrected ghost.
Alright guys, so the time right now is 4 o'clock. We just finished our 1 p.m. session. It was great turnout, actually really good turnout, one of the best ones. Just goes to show that how many people actually want to change their lives. I want to show them how it's done, at least, you know, how it worked for us. So anyway, gonna rest up, grab some lunch, and then tonight at 6 p.m. I'm gonna do this all over again. If you want to come to our next training session, just go to my Instagram over here and click on the link, and I will see you at the training. Alright everybody, it's 9 o'clock and we just finished wrapping up. We had 2 sessions today, one at 1 p.m., one at 6 p.m. and it was such a great turnout. If you're watching this, thank you so much for coming out. Congratulations, and I'm looking forward to helping you to succeed on your Amazon journey. I'm really tired, obviously speaking the whole day. We're gonna go grab a bite. So if you're watching this vlog, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. All the best to you in your Amazon journey. Click the thumbs up. Leave a comment in the section below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So I'll see you on the other side. See you next vlog. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I really hope you got a lot of value from this. And if you are interested in watching more, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you've seen till the end, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video.